Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on all of the social media, and welcome back to Vlogmas. This is what, day 9? 10? God, I don't even know. But anyways, I'm at my parents' house hanging out with my niece and nephew. They're outside right now playing. But yeah, we're just hanging out. Let me show you all outside, you guys, because my mom like loves her gardening. So nice outside. But look, she has like literally a bunch of plants. It's so insane, and I can't keep one plant alive. Look at this frog. It's hilarious. But yeah, this is my mom's garden, but this little area is like, she brings all her plants that could struggle during the winter over here, so she doesn't have to do it every time, but usually they're like everywhere. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue hanging out. Matthew went to, let me turn this around. Matthew went to his barber shop to get a haircut, and then he should be home to bring McDonald's to the kids, so exciting. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside and hang out. Axel! Smile! Smile! Hug Grandpa! Hug Grandpa. Ándale, qué bonito. Give Grandpa a kiss. Ándale, pa, te voy a dar un besito.
Oh, qué rico, precioso.
Mira, suelta. Smile. Careful. Careful, Axel. Put your feet on the chair. Yeah, on the chair. Qué bonito niño. Qué bonito niño. Ajá. ¿Y Grandma? Where's Grandma? Say Grandma. Ajá. Qué rico. Es que me toca grabar todo el mes, ama. Be hi.
Who's this?
Is that you?
Papa. Mama. Papa.
That you? ¿Quién es? ¿Quién es? You guys, guess what finally got built? I'm so excited. I am trying to organize as much as possible. So I have this craft cart, and I know that I want just a couple of things up here, not too crowded. At one point, I think that's a mess, but I think I'm gonna get like a little stand here for my laptop. I'm not sure about that yet, but we'll definitely see. I'm so excited. It looks so good. I can't wait. Okay, so just a little update. I was watching Meghan Markle's documentary, but these are like Christmas cards that I'm waiting to write in. But this is like the little corner that I have. Everything else is literally like empty. Like my wall is empty. I kind of try to, so now my craft card's empty. That's still a mess that I need to pick up. I kind of organized my stickers over there and just a few things here and there. This is probably going to change because I don't like how messy that looks. But I'll figure that out another day. I'm just trying to kind of like organize this for now. My computer, I think, needs to be like elevated in some way, shape or form. I don't know, but I really do like the way it looks. It just makes the space look good. Let me show you all from the corner of, so like you would walk in from the door and that's what it would look like. Obviously, imagine it being clean, but I love it. I think it looks really cute, and so far so good. I put my washi out, which I haven't done in a really long time, and it looks adorable. And this is part of my planner stack, which I'm going to show you all probably in about, maybe not even, I would say next week. I'll show you all next week. So, hey, I'm excited. Okay, I keep moving things around because I did not like the way it looked over here. So I moved it on this corner, and I think I like that better, especially since my recording spot's going to be on this section. So at least I'll have this near me at all times when I'm recording. So I think I like this a little bit better, and I think it'll play out a little bit easier for like decorations to go up on the wall. But that is the setup so far, and I think I like it. Anyways, let me turn the camera around. All right, well, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Why is this like so low? I think that's good. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know it's been really short lately, but honestly, there hasn't been much going on. I do definitely want to do like a sit down and chat and like just talk to you all about stuff that's going on, and things that I've been struggling with. But I'm just really tired. Like, watching my niece and nephew can get really exhausting sometimes, and I just want to like chill out, if I'm being honest. So honestly, what I'm going to do the rest of the day is just watch the Harry and Meghan, the docu-series or whatever it's called on Netflix, and just hang out. So that is my plan. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.